In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on Android phone trash can. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you deleted some photos or videos from your album or your gallery and you want to get them back. All you got to do is go to your gallery, then just go over to recent, for example. Let me just delete something as an example. So we'll just delete this and this right here. Go ahead and press delete, and we're going to move it to the recycling bin. Now, what we're going to do is go back from recents. We're going to be on the main page. On the bottom right, you're going to see the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see recycle bin as one of the options. Now, bear in mind, this only shows up if you've deleted stuff within the last 30 days. If it's been over 30 days since you deleted whatever you're trying to recover, it's not going to be here anymore because it's automatically going to be permanently deleted from here by Samsung. But because I just deleted them and it's been obviously under 30 days, it's going to be here right now. And if I want to recover it, all I got to do is select the two videos that I just deleted. And then on the bottom, I'm going to see delete, so I can permanently delete myself, or I can press restore, and that's it. It says items restored. And yeah, it's as simple as that.